Hey guys, I'm glad to have you back. For some time now, I've been testing out the ByTrading app, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you my strategy on how I basically earn on this platform. Okay, so I'd like you to watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any important information. You can get the basic full details on how to go by this. And also, before we dive in, I'd like you to know that this video is for educational purposes only. Whatever I'll be explaining right now should not be taken as a financial advice. Okay, now without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the process right away. So guys, the ByTrading platform is actually a binary trading platform and also a gaming platform, okay, where you can easily earn by trading options and also playing games on this platform. Okay, now on this platform, I've been able to generate a strategy that I've actually been using to actually earn from time to time on this platform. Now, to get started with this, I'll be dropping the link in the comment section down below or in the description section of this video. Okay, so once you click on the link, it will bring you right here to this sign up page. You can easily sign up by putting in your email address right here. Then you click on this button and a verification code will be sent to you. Or you have to input your password. Then you click on the sign up button right away. And once you successfully created your account, it will bring you right here to the home page. Okay, so as a beginner, you need to check out the beginner tax right here. Once you click on that, you get to find out the different bonuses and reward that this platform actually has for every new beginner on the platform. Okay, and also if you are familiar with platforms and also there are other platforms such as this. If you are familiar with CoinVid, Coinbase, and OK Trading, this platform actually operates just like it. It's just that there's actually a specific strategy that I am leveraging on this platform that I will show you. When you come to hot deals right here, this is where you basically get to see all the earning tools like the BTC28, the Game Stats, the ETH10, and the Sports Stats right here. What I'm going to be basically using is the BTC28 right here. Once you click on BTC28, it will bring you right here to an option trading section. You need to select basically any option and it will come out as a result. Get about 1.95x the amount you used to trade that particular option. Okay, so basically you can see all the options here, and don't worry, I'm still going to break it down for you as we go on in this video. Now the strategy I use have to do with trading on this BTC section right here, and what I also need to trade right here is capital and also a signal group and a calculator. These are the three things I use for this strategy. All right, and if you want to earn on this platform, you need to top up your account and top up the amount you'll be using to trade. Okay, and you are going to be funding your account. Only fund is what you can afford to read because of this has to do with cryptocurrency, and you know the crypto space. You just need to know how to manage your risk, actually earn well on it. If you want to fund your account, you click on the top up button right here, and then right here you can fund using the TRC20 network, or say you want to fund about 10 USDT, which is the minimum deposit. Click on the top up button right here. Afterwards, the wallet address, which is actually the TRC20 network, will be displayed to you right here. You copy it and send the exact amount you want to deposit on your account to it. Okay, now once you are done funding your account, it will appear right here in total asset. And also if you come right here to the beginner's tax, you get 10% on your first recharge. So it basically means if you fund your account with 10 USDT, you basically get a bonus of 1 USDT additionally. Okay, and also if you make a recharge of up to 50 USDT, you get 5 USDT. Okay, and also this 10% is given on your first everyday recharge on the platform. Okay, meaning that offer goes on and on. You enjoy the benefits of depositing up to 50 USDT and you get a bonus of 5 USD. You can still get this same benefit the next day and the next day after. So guys, once you've actually fund your account, let's talk about earning. Like I said earlier, the strategy I actually use for this platform, you need a calculator, a signal group, and capital. All right, now this is the calculator right here. So for this calculator, it actually helps you to manage your funds right here and actually helps you to avoid losses whenever you are trading here on the platform. And one good thing about the calculator is that if you use it, you are always eligible for compensation if there is a need to. And I'm still going to explain that while trading in the video, okay? So I'm going to input my capital right here. And my capital is 100 USDT. So after inputting it, you actually give me an 8-phase plan on how I can trade right here. So I'm just going to screenshot this right now. After screenshotting, I'll head over to the signal group. So this is the signal group that I'm going to be using to place my trade on this platform. So this particular signal group is the 5 minutes BTC 28 signal group. The signals are dropped here twice on a daily basis. Signals are dropped 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. I'll also be converting the time to UTC on your screen so you can be able to check the time for the signal in your own region. Okay, so this is how the signals are usually dropped, telling you the trade time frame you should take, the period you should trade, and also the option you should select. Okay, and if that option actually comes out, you are going to get a win. Okay, I'm going to actually go trade live to actually show you how to do this step by step. To join the signal group, I'm going to be dropping the link on the comment section below or in the description section of this video. So join the 5-minute signal group. So afterwards, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to select the 5 minutes button here. Now this is because the signal is on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so right now all I need to do is to wait for the time of the signal so that I can actually start using it to trade. So guys, it's currently 5 p.m. and a signal has been dropped. See, the transaction type is for the 5 minutes BTC 28 time frame, and then signal given was to trade big. Then the recommended quantity was times 1x. I'm going to explain how to do this gradually. Just follow me through. First thing you need to do is to make sure that you're in the 5 minutes time frame. You know that anytime you come out from the site, it automatically changes back to 1 minute. So always make sure that you're on the 5 minutes time frame. Then the signal that we were given to trade was big. So I've selected on big right here. Next thing is that we're going to enter the quantity right here. The quantity that our calculator gave us for the first phase. Because this is the first phase. I'm taking a trade for the first phase now. I will enter the quantity for the first phase that was given in my calculator. And the calculator told me I can use a trade amount of 0.098 for the first phase. Make sure I'm seeing the 5 minutes time frame again, and then time putting all that, I'll enter the trade. Guys, I was not able to meet up with this particular phase. The time ran out before I could say trade. You should take note that once the countdown has gotten to 10, I won't be able to place any trade again. That was what happened to me. I'll have to wait for this first phase and then I'll join the second phase. As the result of the first phase is out and it resulted in a small even. It's actually a lose. Go to the signal group now to be displayed. You can see in the signal group it is already that the result of the first phase was in a lose. Then they have dropped another signal. We should trade small needed quantity times 2.5x. So I'll do next is to go and check the amount I use for the second phase in my calculator, which is saying I should use a trade amount of 0.246. Then when I move here back, I'll make sure I'm in the 5 minutes time frame. Then we're told to trade small. So I'll click on small right here. Then I'll input the 0.246 there, and then the recommended quantity in the signal group was times 2.5x. So I'll click on that right there. Then I'll click on trade. Then as you can see, purchase success. And check the order you place over here in my order right here. If you switch over to the 5 minutes, you'll be seeing your awaiting drop. Then we'll be waiting for the 5 minutes countdown. I might fast forward through these places in order not to make this video too long. So guys, currently the countdown is almost and it resulted in a small even, which was a win. As you can see, my current balance has increased for the loss I incurred in the last round. Then I made a small profit on top of it again. So another signal will be dropped in the signal group. So the next signal we were given was to trade small again. I'll go to my calculator and check the trade amount I'm to use, which is 0.615. You know, this is for the third phase. So I'll make sure I'm in the 5 minute time frame again, and then I'll select on small as signal group said. I'll enter an amount of 0.615 and multiply it times 1x minimum right. So you enter the amount and then you click on minimum, click on trade, and as you can see it has said purchase success. Then I'll wait for the countdown. Currently the result is out again and resulted in a big odd instead of a small, which was a lose. It's displayed over here in the group again. And another signal has been dropped again for the fourth phase, as you can see right here. We should trade even, multiply with a recommended quantity of 2.5 true. This the next signal is saying we should trade even, recommended quantity of 2.5. Check the trade amount recommended by my calculator. It's saying for the fourth phase, I should trade a amount of 1.537. I'll make sure I'm in the 5 minutes time frame and then select on even. Then I'll enter the recommended trade amount by my calculator. Then multiply it by recommended quantity given by the signal group, which was 2.5x. Then I'll enter the trade and I'll wait for the countdown. The result has been out, guys. So the result has been out, guys, and this was still a loss. It has been dropped, saying we should trade even with a recommended quantity of 5. Currently, this is the fifth phase, so it is telling me that I should trade an amount of 3.842. So I fixed that there and I'm currently waiting for the count. And for this fifth phase, I resulted in a win. You can see for the fifth phase, I've made a profit of about $10, covering for my losses and also making profits. That signal has been dropped, which said we should trade on big, recommended quantity of 1x. Guys, now for the sixth phase, my calculator is telling me to use a trade amount of 9.6, so I'll input that. So I'll make sure I'm in the 5 minutes time frame. I'll select on big, and then I've entered the trade. I'm waiting for the countdown. For this next sixth phase, you can see that I also resulted in a win. It gave me a profit of 3 USDT. So I've made a total profit of about 13 USDT. So knowing fully well that I've made a profit of 13 USDT, I'm going to stop right here. One thing you should know how to manage is your risk to reward ratio. Do not get greedy. Once ever you've locked in profit, you withdraw your profit and you move on. Between all these 8 phases, you surely incur in a loss and in a win. If you are to use the calculator and the signal group, your win will automatically cover for all your losses. Just as I've showed you guys, I incurred losses and I incurred win. My win automatically covered for my losses and still made me profit because I followed the signal group and the calculator. Now, the importance of using this signal group is that it will help you manage your capital, one, and it will also, if you have losses up to the 8th phase, which rarely happens, you'll be compensated all your capital back. If you are using the signal group and you are using the calculator and you lost up to the 8th phase, all your funds will be refunded back to you. This is why I'm explaining it step by step for you so you can be able to try it out. You make sure you use the calculator. If you lose up to the 8th phase using your signal group and the calculator, to get your compensation, you just need to contact the customer care, ensure the calculator, and screenshot your trade history. Okay, come to this place where you have my order, come to the 5-minute section which you are trading, and screenshot your previous trade that have lost up to the 8th phase. Give it to the customer care, be compensated fully. Okay, so using this have helped me to make max profits, as you can see in this video. One important thing about earning is that once you actually earn some amount of money, make sure you actually take some profits, and you can take your profits by placing your withdrawal. You click on the withdraw button here. Okay, then you bind your withdrawal address, which has to be a TRC20 network. Afterwards, you put in the amount you want to withdraw. In the ByTrading platform, the minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. Okay, so always make sure you take profits by placing your withdrawals on this platform. Okay, you can also invite your friends. ByTrading platform, invite your friend. You click on the invite button right here. You click on it, you copy your link right here. You can actually share it to your friends. Also explain how you can basically earn on this platform. Okay, you can share this video to them so they can basically get the full details on this platform. Okay, that's basically everything I'll be sharing with you guys about the ByTrading platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash up on the like button and also subscribe to this channel so you can be getting more videos like this. If you type to like something similar to this, and check up on the comments or in the description section for my Telegram group link where I'll be dropping more updates such as this. For watching, and bye for now, guys.